Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune, anything related to the Android, iOS and Mac and Windows operating system. Today in this video, I am going to share you important onboarding flow, which is actually new onboarding flow to managing your Android enterprise devices with Microsoft Intune. So if you are managing your Android devices with Kobo, Cope or Android work profile for BYD devices, you must watch this video till the end. So as you can see, this is the article. It's available uh, on the Microsoft website. So as you all know, right, to enroll your BYD device, Android BYD devices and or Android company owned devices using Android Enterprise, you must connect your Microsoft Intune tenant to manage Google Play Store. Google Play services, so that your Android devices will connect to Google services. With earlier, it was you can connect with the consumer Gmail accounts, right? But starting in August 2024, this process will no longer require Gmail account. Instead, Microsoft has announced that admin will be able to use their existing Microsoft intra credential to complete this one-time onboarding. This is the only one-time onboarding. It's not multiple time you have to do. So when you setting up the new phrase tenant or existing tenant, if you are still paired with a Gmail account or connected your Microsoft Intune tenant to a manage Google Play with Gmail account, then you must think and migrate or to move uh, to Microsoft intra credential, right? This is the new requirement. So what you have to do, right? So I will show you in the Microsoft Intune itself, portal itself, and then I will go through this article as well again. So this is Microsoft Intune portal. If you go here, tenant administration, this is the first time phrase, and go to the connector status, you see since it's none of the connector has set up, right, except this Windows autopilot. So let's say to manage your Google Play Store, if it's not enable, right, manage Google Play connection, then what you do, you will not able to, your devices will not able to enroll, because your Android devices will connect to Google services to verify everything, right? To see all those application and everything, like Apple Business Manager or DP enrollment, right? Or AD enrollment. Now what we do, if you search, go to the Android, and I will show you if it's not configured, and then if you say search for manage Google Play Store, select, it say connect your Intune account to Android Enterprise to browse manage Google Play Store. So it's not set up, that's why it's showing here. So let's click on here, you say it's not set up. So what you have to do, you have to agree, I grant Microsoft permission to send both user and device information to Google. So this is important, right? You want to grant or agree the Microsoft permission, so that the user information will, or device information is to send to the Google based on the ownership. Don't be confused. And now I selected agree. This is I have already showed in my video, but I'm just showing for you. And you see Google account not available, organization not available, registration date not available. This is only one time, okay? It's not you have to do. Since this is new tenant, so I'm just showing you. Connect your Microsoft Intune to an administrative Google account to enable Android enterprise enrollment. If you not connect, your your user will not able to enroll, and being as admin you're not able to pull and deploy any Android apps to your devices. Now launch this one. Once you launch, then you see here the another tab has opened, right? So I will just explain this, and you see here uh, you can give any name, right? Like your EMM suggests this one, right? So mdm.microsoft.com. So you can give your company name here, like for Microsoft. If you are, you can put uh, Kumar at Microsoft.com, right? If you are from any other organization, you can put abc.com, but it should be valid corporate credentials with mailbox enable. You got my point, right? So it should not be a service account. The mailbox should be enabled with this account. Okay, so I will be putting first Gmail just for you, to show you. But in your case, since if you are doing for the first time, you should put your identity or credential with your organization. I mean, it should be work email address and it has mailbox. Okay, so I'm just putting MDM exports at gmail.com. Okay, so you see, if I put gmail.com using a personal email address, you'll only be able to access to manage Google account. Okay, so yeah, this is the this is the actually um, problem, right? So it's not a problem. You should not use any normal Gmail account, but earlier this option was not there, right? So but now it's there. So if I open this one and if I just put, yeah, mdmexperts at gmail.com. So if I remove this from Gmail, if I make Google, you see, your EMM suggests this one. So you can put your, you should not use any personal Gmail address. I'm just showing you, actually you should use your company work email address with mailbox enable. So let's connect to this one. Okay, next. You see, MDM expert Gmail looks like a personal email address. So you see, retry with work email. You see, work email such as name at company.com, right? Purchase company domain. If you don't have the domain such as company.com and corresponding, you will buy a new domain. You can buy a new domain, of course, right? Or you can sign up for Android. If you're deploying Android devices only, you can create a manage Google Play. So if you're deploying a Android devices only, you can create a manage Google Play account. And this account won't allow you to manage other Google products like Chrome and browser and workspace, right? So either there is three options, right? So they are saying if you have to sign it with work email, purchase the domain and sign up for Android only, but you won't be able to manage the Google products. Okay, so I will go for this one, but since you all have the work email, better to go for work email, right? So that I will show you. So let's sign up for this now. Okay, get started. This is the old method. If you already done, right, in the past before 2024, you must have seen. Okay, so it's a domain name and business name. I'll just give same, not making complex, MDM experts. Next, so they will ask for data protection officer, EU representative. You have to read all, you have to feed all this data information. I'm not feeding any of this information. I just click on confirm and it's a complete registration. So it's done, right? So it will take few minutes here. Let me, if I refresh this page, okay, and let's close this one. And you see it's a setup organization. I have given MDM expert and it's configure with my Gmail account. Okay, I should have received some email, I am sure. Okay, Now, so I have configured this one. Now it's connected. If I go back to tenant administration and check, it'll say Google Play App Sync and manage Google. You can click and check. It just set up. Now go back again, Google Play App Sync, and you can sync as well. You can also manage this Google Play Store, and you can search this application. All of these applications are available for my account. Intune Company Portal, Authenticator. I can search OneDrive, and all these applications. If you want to approve, this is the old method I am showing you. I will show you what you need to do for migration. Okay, I'm just adding it here. Done. Okay, so these all application, whatever you approve from here, it will show there as well. So what you have to do, you have to save and sync here, and it will show the sync as well. Now if you go to here, Android, and you see all these applications, right? So whatever are available there, it's here, right? In the play.google.com work licenses, everything it's approved all on 30 September. Okay, you see all these applications are here, Microsoft OneDrive, and now you can click and deploy. But now I'll show you what is changing, why I'm showing this video, what you need to do with this, right? So if you select, suppose I have entered my personal email address here instead of for the work email, right? So if you enter the work email address, what it will come, we recommend continue with pre-fill identity, selecting sign in with the Microsoft. So you will see this option and you can sign in with Microsoft, and the process may require email verification. As I mentioned, or credential used to sign in doesn't have the email inbox. We recommend you to use a corporate email address with a mailbox to complete onboarding. Yeah, because you will get the notification you have to sign in with the, once the onboarding is complete, you can add other administrator into the Google admin console and grant them right level of access to Google resources. So you will see once you verify that, then you can allow and create an account, and you will see this screenshot, and then it get connected, right? But this, I don't have the corporate accounts since I have configured with this one. So now you see, now what you need to do for migration, since we have already done, right? Now we need to migrate, right? So you see, for Microsoft Intune customer who already been onboarded using Gmail account, right? So I just onboarded with my Gmail account. So we already onboarded. Now you can opt to upgrade your managed Google Play account as of September 2025, right? So to begin migration, what you have to do, navigate to Android app. So how you can migrate, if since my account tenant is connected to the Gmail, so you have to migrate before 2025. They have informed in 2024. I hope you already done it, but in case if you have not done, so what you have to do, you have to go to the Microsoft Intune tenant apps and create manage Google Play and select. And now last time, if you remember, in the first of the video, it was showing error because it was not, my tenant was not connected to the Google with my Gmail account or the personal account. Now you see here, upgrade your Google Play account enterprise to manage Google domain and unlock more feature. Why it's showing? Because I have not upgraded. I am still using Gmail and I have not migrated to the manage Google domain with my corporate credential, right? So if you have already done with the corporate credential, you will not see this error, right? So why you need to do this now? So it's a free upgrade for free. You can check all these. I have given name and this is the ID, right? So what you have to do, you have to upgrade for free if you have connected with your Gmail account, right? You can upgrade for free. You may be thinking, if I not do, then what will happen? Nothing will happen, right? Google is not deprecating, but it's recommended to upgrade. So you see here, if you choose to not upgrade your account, you will still be supported. There is no plan to deprecate the existing state by Google. So there is a no, there is a no, there is no plan to deprecate. So what you have to do? Suppose it's better to upgrade. But if you don't want to upgrade, you can simply search here. You don't have to go somewhere. You just have to search like I want to deploy Outlook application. So you can search for this Outlook application. And if you remember earlier, we used to go here and search this Outlook application from here, right? And approve from here, right? Now you don't have to go to here. You can just select here, right? And approve from here automatically. So this is how, and you can sync as well. Now let's migrate, since they are recommended to migrate. So let's go for upgrade. Okay, so once you click on upgrade, again it says sign in with your existing Android enterprise account. So please sign in with your existing Android enterprise managed Google Play owner account. You will need to be an owner of the existing managed Google Play. So if you select, this is my existing, since I have selected. If you have selected your corporate enterprise account, it will show automatically, but it should be existing account. There is no options to you can feed, it's automatically coming and then select start, and they say Google enterprise is blocked. Why? I don't know. It should not be blocked on my machine. Enterprise Google.com is blocked. I don't know why, but this is it's very simple. You have to just select the account here, right? And then create a new account using work email, additional products, and if you want to, and upgrade and complete. And then you will be migrated and you will not see this error. I was thinking to show, but I don't know what is, maybe I don't have the existing enterprise account. It's a Gmail. So if you click on learn more or something, they will show. I hope so. So the benefit, right? So why they recommended why Microsoft is recommended to use this managed Google domain? There is some benefits for admins and employee. The benefits for IT admin: login and manage enterprise setting with work email address, leverage SSO, right? Since you log in with the, and bind multiple EMM instance to your organization, right? If you have, in case, simplified admin recovery, manage multiple products, Google products in one place like Google Chrome and other. The employee benefit is upgrading to manage Google domain facility, a more streamlined and integrated approach to managing Android devices. So it's not much benefit for employee, it's mostly for the IT admin, right? So upgrade option, as I have shown you, this feature is rolling out in stages. Is the upgrade is free button in is missing from your manage Google Play iframe. It hasn't been enabled for your account yet, right? So if you don't see this option upgrade for free, it means it is not enabled for your account yet. So as I say, upgrade for free, and you have to enter this one. If the enterprise has no owner, create a new Google account and contact your EMM, right? So create an admin account to ensure all these login and upgrade. If your organization does not have the existing managed Google domain account, you can this one. It is, if your managed Google domain has the user sync it, you may receive additional prompt to enable this one. So these are the things, right? After successful upgrading, you can go to should no longer be used, right? As I mentioned, instead your enterprise should be managed via Google admin console, and app should be managed via your EMM console, as I have shown you. So you don't have to go anywhere, you can directly go, but you can click on learn more and you can read all this information here, and you can also access the Google managed uh, store here. So this is how you can plan for migrate, right? I hope you learn something new what you have to do, right? Because you must be a admin of you must be migrating this one, right, to just get a seamless experience. And why this is new, as you maybe noticed, the onboarding flow: create a new Google account using your corporate email address. Admin can use their Microsoft Intra credential to log in and manage the connection between Google and Microsoft, as well as the other Google features. You can read it here, how to connect to enterprise into Google blog, right? So I don't want to go and all this. So what's next by the Microsoft? A seamless experience that allow you to upgrade without leaving the Microsoft Intune admin center is in the work to be released later this calendar year. I don't know which year, by maybe 2025 is already over, or maybe 2026, right? So you don't have to go and click. Once you click on upgrade, it's going to the another tab, right? So they want to just make it within the Intune console so that you can easily migrate or upgrade to manage Google Play, Google domain. Okay, it's very simple. You just click on upgrade, put your account, and click and see. I hope you learned something new. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.